Hey fellas, welcome back to my videos, and we have Dewalt 18-volt 5-amp battery, and probably the problem is that it shows fully charged but it's only 2 lights here. So what can we do except of throwing this trash out? We can open it and check what's wrong here. The spring, okay. What we have here, let's check the terminal here. This one is nice. Okay, dokie. Let's try to lift the battery pack out. Most of the time the Dewalt is harder to take out of the shell. And I see that it wasn't some kind of repair in this battery lifetime. Okay, let's check, and probably this one have died. Let's check that. The multimeter. Okay. 3.9, 3.9, 3.9. Yeah. Yeah, so we have these two cells to replace that cells that, and why did it? Maybe they was overheating because they'll solder here. And it's a molded cell, nice cells, and why would nice cells in that shitty way? I don't know. Okay, and okay, I don't have the replacement strips for this one. Just ended out of stock. Okay. What you can do here? Still want to replace it. Okay, I need to solder it basically. Okay, I don't know what I can do for this pack, and maybe I think I will take this out. You have touched the plus with the minus on the cells, so that's why I got a spark. Okay, now I want to disconnect this cell, so probably I will just cut this one, and yeah, it's rusty here, so it's definitely not worth keeping. Okay, and why the fuck do you do that? Okay. Can't solder it fastly with my solder, so just taking it down in a way like I love it. Okay. So we have the specs out, and definitely they are not good to use. They have rust and so on, so I have shorted it again. Okay, so yeah, they are rusty and they are out of order. They seem so, what's this, humidity or something? Okay, so I need to replace them with a normal pack. So it's just a 5 amps battery. I need 2.5 milliamps, sorry, amps cell packs, and I need to figure out how I will make this one. Okay fellas, it is like this. I think I found a solution. Not very likely for me, but it will be good, I think, I hope, and I believe. Of course. Okay, so, and what I will do, I have this one nickel plates, and I will put them here, and I will just bend a little bit this one and solder to the plate, and it will be good. The housing will be coiled, and it will close the housing. It will be perfectly fine. Kim. Okay, it's always when working on working days. Got a phone call, and now I don't know. Okay, this one is here. This one probably I can put it here, and yep. Okay, okay. let's try to check what we have here. So can this one be nicely bended? I think, yeah, like that. Of course, after repairing, this one will be needed to be balanced, because you have the two cells. Need to push it back. Oops. Just such a plus. So now I will have the more things to do. I will need to solder this one, and yeah, I will be needed to repair it to the wire. Just checking it like that, because if it's a short circuit, the soldering, how you call this one, it will burn. Okay, so now I need to jam the wire here, or I'm using the solder wick for this things. And yeah, so sometimes the shit just happens. Okay, let's cut it. That's all. Now I will put it to the balancing. Okie dokie, the balancing is completed and all the cells are almost the same, 4.10, and this one is 4.09, so it's almost the same. So stepping the balancer, disconnecting everything. Putting the repair sticker, and of course now we need to assemble this battery. I'll take this one here. Yeah, you can check the lights, all 3 lights. That's because we have charged it when balancing, so that's a full battery. The spring. Yeah. We'll screw them with a hand. Or maybe the screwdriver will fit here. Yeah, almost. that's all. We have all 3 lights. We have the working battery. I need to tighten this one a little bit. The screw is a little damaged, so it's harder. Okay, we'll do that. Maybe we'll replace the screw. Okay, that's all. We have repaired it. Thank you for watching. Press thumbs up and bye.